Just waiting for people to come in so that we can start. Hi everybody. Hello. Yes, I was just waiting for everyone to come in before I could start and say welcome to yet another episode of Unwooden Lions. It's middle of the week, I know. I'm sure some of you just probably wrapped up work from home in some ways, and just wanted to check in. Hope everyone's safe. Hi everybody. I hope you guys are all enjoying all these chats and all the little entertaining bits that have been going out on the social media platforms. Thank you for coming on to Unwooden Lions with me, Rupa Ramani, and of course today's guest is one of the most funnest additions to the CSK family. He's been a part of it for the last few years. Obviously someone who's not you wouldn't imagine to be in a yellow jersey, but it's been quite a revelation. He's kind of blended into the team as well, even though he's doesn't have that South Indian-ness about him, but he's kind of gotten that going as well, and we will talk about that too. Yeah, so hope you guys given a lot of your questions. I'm sure there are a lot of interesting things you'd want to know about Harbhajan Singh, who will be probably coming on in a minute or two from now. I'll check in a bit. But of course, that's not the only exciting thing. Of course, Chennai Super Kings is also on, has come on TikTok as well. So that's something that should be interesting and exciting too. So lots to look forward to as well. I'm sure you guys have been keeping yourselves busy too. So why don't I just quickly check if Harbhajan is on? Not yet. We'll give it a few moments before we check again. Also, let us know what you've been up to. How have you been spending? How have you been spending your time this week thanks to the lockdown? Have things kind of been a little better around wherever you're staying? Let us know. And yes, as I will remind you again, though this will be a bit of a conversation, we will take a lot of your questions. So please do send in your comments for Bhaji as well as the conversation starts. Do make sure to do that. So I'm just going to quickly check again if he's in. Not yet, so we'll wait. What else, guys? How have you been keeping busy? What have you been watching? It'll be nice to know. Will Dhoni return for T20 World Cup? Is that something that you want to ask Bhaji? Can you do a live chat with Stephen Fleming? Nice request. I'm sure he'll be also very interesting to talk to during these times. Don't know if he's on Instagram though, so yeah. We'll just quickly wait. I'm just going to see if I can ping him. Yeah, so just waiting for those of you just probably coming in and saying hi. Welcome to Unwooden Lions, and hopefully this will be just as an exciting episode as it was earlier. And of course today we have Harbhajan Singh joining us, so I'm sure it's going to be a lot of laughs. So do send me your questions. We really want a lot of fun and interesting questions from all of you, and I'm sure we'll throw it open to Bhaji as well. So I want to check if he's on. He's not on. Yeah. So let me quickly, actually guys, if you just wait, let me just quickly message and see where he is at. Yeah, just waiting for him, guys. Little patience, please. We're just a couple of minutes on, so we're gonna try and see if Harbhajan has come. Not yet. Alright, we will wait for a bit. Okay. So tell us, which episode did you really enjoy watching on Anbudan? If you'd like to kind of say that now, I'll probably respond to that as well. Which of the episodes did you enjoy watching on Anbudan Lines? Hi Sundar. Hi Vikas. Sai Sriram. Yes, please talk in Hindi. Well, the point is, infinity is you. The point is that everyone can probably, the majority, whoever is able to understand Hindi. कभी-कभी हम बात करते हैं when there is someone who is more comfortable in that language. We did that with Deepak, as if you remember. But if someone is comfortable in both, we kind of mix it up too. So yes, I'm told that he'll join us in a couple of minutes. So let's wait it out. So yes, I asked you all which Anbudan episode, live chat or any edits did you enjoy? Let us know. Yoganath says Bala and Badri was a lot of fun. Yes, that is true. Rumi says all the Anbudan episodes have been pretty good. Thanks Rumi, that's very kind. Jaggi says hello Rupa madam. Why madam Jaggi? Madam, konja over. Sai Vanshi says Ambati Raidu's episode we enjoyed the most. Thank you, Sai Vanshi. He is quite a fun guy actually. He's very reserved, but he is, if you know him off the field, he's very, very friendly and he's very warm, very genuine guy. Harbhajan is on. Hello. Let us add him, guys. So just waiting for him to accept.
Hello everyone.
मैं नोटिस कर रही हूँ आप हर लाइव में दूसरे कलर के कैप पहन रहे हो. अच्छा है वैसा.
हाँ, मेरे पास कैप्स बहुत हैं.
Very
nice. A lot of caps. Thank you. Cool. Thank you. Sea green.
Yeah. Teal. So teal कहते हैं.
Teal कहते हैं. मुझे steel कहते हैं.
हाँ, sea green भी. Yeah, sea green is also right. I mean the very formal name is teal. But yeah, nice. Thank you, Vajiba. Thank you so much for coming. Always nice.
நல்லா இருக்கா?
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
அப்படி இருக்காங்க. நல்லா இருக்காங்க சார்.
Guys, that was specifically for you.
வணக்கம்.
Jaggi is saying I love your caps. I need some.
Jaggi, you have to come to Mumbai to get those caps, huh?
Courier नहीं आएगा.
अभी तो कुरियर भी बंद है.
When IPL happens, Vajiba will give you a cap.
I'll give you a lot of caps. Don't worry, Jaggi.
Awesome.
How's everyone?
I'm doing good here. I'm sure all of them are quite safe as well, whoever's watching, and we hope that for sure. We hope everyone's safe as well. So a lot of questions will come, Vajiba, and once they start, we will of course throw them open. But just to warm things up, I know you've been cooking quite a bit during lockdown. Tell us a bit about that. क्या success हुआ है? कौन से dishes have you really enjoyed making?
Well, I've enjoyed making everything. Bangan bharta is my special. Then soyabean, aloo, bangan bharta, na? I didn't make bangan bharta. Okay, you're gonna make my bharta. My wife is saying that you didn't make bharta. She said, "Don't say you made a bharta." Okay, you're gonna make my bharta then. No, I made aloo bangan, and all these things. I made soyabean, aloo, everything aloo with aloo.
Aloo hona hai.
Aloo to you have to have.
आपका कुछ so is it a fixed thing that every time dinner is on you and something like that, or
not dinner is on me, but yeah, when I feel like कि चलो आज कुछ करते हैं बनाते हैं तो फिर मैं लग जाता हूँ, but ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मैंने करना ही करना है, but I like it. It's nice.
What about Inaya? Have you been able to how are kids taking this, Vajiba? Yeah, I mean it's a little difficult to handle them indoors, isn't it?
It is, but honestly, she's been okay, and she asked a couple of times to her mom, why aren't we going down and and stuff, but she said, "No, there's a coronavirus and there's a lockdown. We can't go down." And she understood. उसके बाद अच्छी बच्ची की तरह उसने कुछ पूछा नहीं.
That's nice, yeah. It's very difficult to usually keep kids entertained or at least explain to them why some things are happening.
हाँ, no, but luckily तो उसकी मदर उसको वो बिजी रखती है, ड्राइंग एंड लॉट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज एंड स्टफ. बहुत बढ़िया था वो, लगे रहते हैं. वी प्लेड लॉट ऑफ Uno टुडे.
I was about to ask you, when was the last time you played Uno and all these things are coming back right now?
Uno we played. When did we last play Uno? We've been playing Uno, but since उससे पहले कब खेले थे? I don't know. उससे पहले हम तीन पत्ती खेलते थे. We used to play a lot of तीन पत्ती in जो हमारे टीम में हम बहुत खेलते थे तीन पत्ती. You know, that was a time pass. मैं एक समय ऐसा था, there was a time everybody used to come sit in my room, play तीन पत्ती, and one day they were playing till 3 in the morning, and I said, भाई जाओ, मैंने सोना है. Then they said, okay, you take my card and go sleep there. We're gonna play till 6 in the morning. They gave me the card, then I left. And seriously, these guys were playing till 8 in the morning. They had breakfast and stuff in the room, and then they left. It was that addicted.
Not bad, yeah, Vajipa. That's quite taxing, यार. 6 बजे तक मतलब not bad.
नहीं वो इतना उसमें घुस जाता है बंदा तीन पत्ती में, तो फिर वो उसमें लगता है कि बस खेलना ही है और खेलना है.
Well, there are quite a few questions coming in. A question I want to keep for a little later when we actually talk about this particular segment, so I'm going to keep that for later. But someone actually said, so do you know what, you of course would know what Bajji means in Tamil, right?
Bajji, what Bajji means in Tamil? I don't know what Bajji means in Tamil, but I definitely know Baji. Baji. You know, some people pronounce Baji, that is sabji. And तो यहाँ पे भी महाराष्ट्र में भी भाजी बुलाते हैं, but मैं भाजी नहीं हूँ, मैं बज्जी हूँ.
So you're close. Bajji actually, so why they say hot bajji is because bajji is basically pakode in Tamil.
पकोड़े, is it?
And everyone loves bajji.
किस चीज के पकोड़े?
तो मिर्ची का बहुत अच्छा है, फेमस है. मिर्ची का साउथ में बहुत फेमस है. प्याज के पकोड़े, they make प्याज, they make mirchi. Mirchi is quite popular actually. So someone who's very hot and spicy on the field.
So what kind of bajji pakoda I will be if I am a bajji pakoda?
You are a mirchi bajji, no?
No, I am not a mirchi bajji. Yeah.
Actually, yeah, fans, you guys should answer. If Harbhajan was a bajji, which bajji would he be? We'll wait for that. Yeah. Someone's asking what's on the menu tonight.
What's on the menu tonight? Tonight there's a dal, there's red rice, then और क्या है? बस यही है मेरे ख्याल से. पापड़ रहेगा.
Very nice. So we're waiting for your answers. The question is, guys, chili. Simply Nivi says chili. Shashank says pyaz.
Some people like mirchis. Mango, I'm telling to him. Mango, I like mango.
But बहुत सारी mirchi is favorite. Everyone's favorite.
What's your favorite, Rupa?
Mirchi bhaji.
Mirchi bhaji. So then that means I am not your favorite. I am not a mirchi. तो मैं तो अभी
वो spice निकाल देते हैं ना, वो उतना spicy नहीं होता है. Spice निकाल देते हैं और फिर डालते हैं.
Then it's fine.
Nice. There's a very nice segment that I have, Vajipa. I think we should kickstart with that.
Okay.
So I'm calling this this or that Mumbai-Chennai special, okay?
Chennai special. What is Chennai special?
Mumbai versus
Coffee.
Chennai special. ठीक है?
Hey, don't put me in trouble, huh?
I will not put you in trouble, okay? I won't put you in trouble. But a lot of questions are easy and very nice. You can give emotional answers. It's nice.
So if I can't answer, you'll have to answer then.
You're allowed one diplomatic answer.
Okay, fine. Only one, huh?
Only one.
Okay.
Question एकदम hard सिर्फ एक ही है वैसे मेरे ख्याल से. ठीक है? First one, वड़ा पाव और वड़ा सांबार.
वड़ा पाव.
Very nice. और आप reasons से जब anecdotes.
No, वड़ा पाव because I like वड़ा पाव. There's no such reason. I think वो टेस्ट बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. But अगर पूछते कि इडली सांबर या फिर वड़ा पाव, तो फिर मैं बोलता इडली सांबर because इडली I love इडली. तो फिर मेरा जवाब वो होता है। बड़ा मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो तला हुआ काफी होता
हाँ,
है।
बहुत फ्राइड है। हाँ, घर पे आपने
हम्म।
साउथ इंडियन बनाया है अभी लॉकडाउन पे?
नहीं, मुझे आता नहीं है। कुछ रेसिपी बताओ, कुछ अच्छी चीज की। क्या मैंने वो किसी दिन वो बनाना है यार, पोंगल।
बहुत इजी है, I'll tell you.
या
I'll
आई
send it to
वांट टू
you.
ट्राई दैट। या
It's quite yum. The sweet one or the savory one? Which one do you want to try?
नो नो नो, द नॉर्मल वन, नॉट स्वीट वन।
हाँ, savory one, savory one. I'll give you the recipe. Done.
हम्म।
Second question. काली पीली टैक्सी या चेन्नई का ऑटो?
काली पीली टैक्सी या चेन्नई का ऑटो? मैं दोनों में से ज्यादा बैठा हूँ काली पीली टैक्सी में। तो मेरे लिए यार काली पीली टैक्सी भी अच्छी है, ऑटो भी अच्छा है। और ये देखो, येलो फेवरेट कलर भी उठा के ले आया हूँ मैं। तो
Very sweet.
मैं एक्चुअली दिस टाइम व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग टू चेन्नई, you know, I was actually planning to go from airport to the hotel in auto, but unfortunately रसल को पता चल गया, then he sent the car। नहीं तो मैं एक्चुअली, मेरा प्लान था to go in the auto।
वाह, आपने वैसे, आपको याद है पहला पहला शूट, सबसे पहला शूट जो हुआ था when you came on CSK 2018 में, the first ever shoot was in autos or something.
Yeah,
I
we
don't
were
know.
in the auto, we were all jumping around and dancing in front
Yes,
of the
you,
auto।
Jaddu, a few others.
That was for Muthoot Group, I remember।
Yes, yes,
Yeah।
yeah, that was fun. Third one is a very nice question. I think you can give a very emotional answer as well for this one. Wankhede or Chepauk?
Both, I've got great memories in both the stadiums, so I can't really choose one। So, 10 years with Mumbai Indians been absolutely very, very, very special. It made my life. It gave me the platform to achieve and do whatever I want to do in life. And I can't thank enough Mumbai Indian for everything they have done for me। और उसके अलावा भी I have done very well, even in international cricket in Wankhede, I've done really well। So I think for me to choose Wankhede or Chennai will be a very tough question। Yes, अगर मुझे पूछोगे कि bowling करना कहाँ आसान है, तो I would say कि bowling करना आसान जो है वो that is in Chepauk, because Wankhede as a bowler you can go for plenty of runs, but luckily
Yeah.
with the grace of God I've got a very good record in Wankhede। And as I said, I can't thank Nita Ambani and Akash and Sir Mukesh Sir and Sachin Tendulkar and everyone. I can't thank them enough for giving me everything, what they have given me and to achieve।
Awesome.
But
Nice one.
मुझे ये टीम नहीं पिक करनी है कौन सी बढ़िया है कौन सी है। फॉर मी मुंबई इंडियन मेरे लिए मेरे दिल में बसी हुई है, और चेन्नई के लिए मैं 2 साल से खेला हूँ, बड़ा प्यार मिला है वहां भी। और पीपल आर वेरी बहुत प्यार देते हैं। और मेरी टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, अगर चेन्नई में मैं जब जब खेला हूँ मैंने 5 विकेट लिए हैं। वनडे क्रिकेट में भी मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया वहाँ। वानखेड़े इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्पेशल, क्योंकि मैंने वहां भी एक मेरा वनडे क्रिकेट में 5 विकेट हॉल है, और टेस्ट क्रिकेट में तो जब जब वहां खेला हूँ अच्छा किया ही है। सो फॉर मी, the whole India is very special for me, not just one or two particular stadium। Calcutta, if we talk about Calcutta, is very, very special। That's something which is very close to my heart, and whenever I've gone there, I've taken a lot of wickets। कुछ तो काली माँ का वहां पे आशीर्वाद है मेरे ऊपर, जब जाता हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं भेजती है। सो या, so please don't ask me कि चेन्नई या मुंबई। तो दोनों के लिए पपियां और जपियां।
Aw, sweet. मरीन ड्राइव और मरीना बीच गए हो दोनों? मरीना बीच गए हो आप?
गया हूँ, बट फॉर श्योर मरीन ड्राइव।
Yeah, lot of
Marine
memories
Drive,
for sure.
yeah, a lot of memories। I always had my room facing Marine Drive, and it looks beautiful in the evening जब वो लाइटें चलती हैं। It looks absolutely brilliant। और उतना मैं चेन्नई के बीच पे कभी गया नहीं हूँ, तो मैं उतना कह नहीं पाऊंगा।
Fair enough. Okay, this is a tough one.
Yeah, earlier one was not easier one, huh?
Earlier one was very easy, Bajiva. Come on.
I'll also ask you a question before you go, then you say कि अच्छा ये easy है या नहीं है।
ठीक है, done. Whistle for the, okay? और दुनिया हिला देंगे हम. What you can sing in your like head, like hum without like keeping your eyes closed. Easy answer.
Are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna combine this. दुनिया हिला देंगे हम when we do whistle podu.
Oh, see, Vajibat, this is what I expect. Fantastic. Super. A lot of people asking you to give a dialogue in Tamil.
Dialogue in Tamil. I will. थोड़ी देर के बाद मैं देता हूँ. एक डायलॉग दे के जाऊंगा आप सबको.
Yes, done. We'll wait for it. Don't worry. We'll wait for it. ये तो मैं नहीं पूछूंगी. आप आके मुझे पीटेंगे अगर मैं ये पूछूंगी.
Okay, let me see how many whistle do we get. Chennai Super King का पोड़िया whistle अड़ेगा. Let's see.
Wow, guys, you need to follow up. If you're with him, follow up with a smiley or a yellow heart. I think a yellow heart for that. Very cool.
बिल्कुल.
बीच में पंजाबी सॉन्ग भी आ रहा है रिक्वेस्ट आपको.
पंजाबी सॉन्ग करेंगे, वो भी करके जाएंगे. आज आए हैं तो सब कुछ करके जाएंगे यहाँ पे.
The one thing I wanted to actually play out for sure is because there's a segment I wanted to do on movies with you. Okay.
Movies. Okay.
But before that, I wanted to definitely. Are you good with dumb charades, by the way?
Yeah, sometime I am. Sometimes.
If I try and mime, will you guess the movie? बहुत easy.
Maybe I can try. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
So you will have to tell me. Okay, one word.
So this means one word. This means I'm splitting the word. Yeah. This means opposite. This means another word for. Bas.
Chalo, let's see. One word. Cut. Split. हाँ कर दिया. Second word. हाँ. Chappu. Is that a chappu?
English. नहीं.
English. Boat. Boat. Titanic. Big boat. House. Boat. ये क्या है? What is it?
One more word for boat.
Ayyo. Okay, boat. So what's the first word now? Tell me. Do it again. हम साथ इकट्ठे हम तुम इकट्ठे हैं. हम तुम इकट्ठे हैं for what? Boat. No, see, I'm bad.
Okay, I was trying to show friendship.
Shardul Thakur is saying, by the way, nice acting, huh?
मैं बहुत बुरे तरह एक्ट कर रही हूँ वरना गेस कर लेते.
नहीं मैं थोड़ा वो मेरा फिल्मी नॉलेज उतना है नहीं ना तो इसलिए शायद मैं बोल नहीं पाया. शार्दुल ठाकुर, if you like her acting, then tell us what was the कौन सा मूवी?
फ्रेंडशिप था मूवी का नाम.
फ्रेंडशिप. अरे बाप रे, वो तो इजी था.
हाँ बहुत थोड़ा
इजी था. बट ये बोट कहाँ से आ गई फ्रेंडशिप में?
शिप में दिखा रही थी. शिप.
फ्रेंडशिप. ओके, शिप. मैं बोट ही चलता गया. हाँ, शिप में मैं कभी गया नहीं तो मुझे कैसे पता हो. आई गेट सिक इन शिप. बोट में गया हूँ क्योंकि खुली होती है.
हाँ,
बोट क्योंकि खुली होती है तो उसमें मैं गया हूँ. बट शिप में आई एम नॉट गॉन. सो
no, it's also difficult. Once you're thinking of one word, you only think of one word. You don't think of.
Friends.
That is true. When I was thinking friends, I was like, बहुत difficult है. Actually, friend दिखाना बहुत difficult है. Mime करना बहुत.
Actually.
है ना? But you should tell about your. Do you feel that that's like one of the things that you really, really want to do, acting? You're really interested in something like that?
My wife is there and she's listening. If I'll talk about acting, she'll be like, if I want to act, no, I've signed a movie. It's called Friendship, and we have shot for a couple of days. And still, there was about 15, 20 days left to finish this movie. And obviously, I was going to shoot after the IPL, but since IPL is not happening, and now
Yeah.
I don't know when shoot will also happen. We shot a couple of days in Coimbatore, but
Hmm.
अब देखो डिपेंड्स कब ये सब ठीक होगा उसके बाद फिर ये सब चीजें होंगी मे बी आई होप आई एम नॉट द रीजन कि मैंने शूटिंग शुरू की और इसको पसंद नहीं आया और वायरस कहता है रुक जा शूट करवाए तेरा बंद ही करवा देता हूँ तो
नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं. I mean,
so
we are
let's
hoping for the best. Obviously, all positive.
yeah it'll get over we all need to
Yeah.
stay strong stay positive about everything and
Yeah.
we need to look after each other not just अपना तो ध्यान रखना ही है साथ में दूसरों का भी रखना है और अगर वो रखेंगे तो
But
भारत
how was
जरूर
that?
जीतेगा
True. But how was that experience, Bajipa? How was that?
experience shooting it was different yeah especially the dialogue part speaking in Tamil and trying to say the right word in Tamil it's a very difficult kind of a thing for me and yeah but हाँ हाँ जी yeah I'll probably take you next time even for my movie shoot as well so you can direct me there as well so yeah my wife is saying that yeah I'll come to that point it was tough to be honest and facing camera and facing camera on the field bowling batting is a different ball game but facing camera and act in front of camera is a totally a different thing so
Yeah.
या बट मैंने कहा ना कि चलो कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखेंगे कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ही क्रिकेट खेलनी शुरू की थी तब वो कौन सी आती थी वो भी सीख ही गए ना
Hmm. Someone's asking, you're wearing a Lakers cap. Are you a Lakers?
नो यार आई जस्ट लाइक द कलर सो आई पिक दिस कैप
How many caps do you have, Bajipa, by the way? And are you like a avid collector of caps? Sorry, I
yeah
think
I've
that
got
got
a
stuck.
lot of caps yeah I've got a lot of caps a lot of different caps a lot of different colors और कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो either I pick shoes or caps. These are my two favorite things. And my wife always says कि why do you need more shoes? Why do you need more cap? You have plenty. So then हमारी वही बात होती है. Why do you need more dresses? तो फिर वो बैलेंस हो जाता है कि okay.
I love it. I like how Geeta's listening to all of this. Yeah, I'm waiting for another response from her. But then, guys, just a reminder, please continue asking your questions. I'm just going to continue with this till I get questions from you guys. So keep
VS
that.
CSK's cap यार I don't have a CSK cap यहाँ पे otherwise मैं पहन लेता क्योंकि we were all in Chennai and we were thinking to get back to Chennai on 16th or 17th of March again.
Yeah.
Take 3-4 days gap. So उसके बाद सारा सामान तो वहीं छूट गया यार. So next time if you guys will invite me for a chat, then I'll try and arrange one cap before we got into this Instagram chat.
Done. There you go, guys. Happy about that. That's amazing. Oh, Lakshmi, the stats guy is on. He's saying, hi, how are you? Bajipa, how's family?
Lakshmi, I told you yesterday. Why are you asking me here the same thing?
Bajipa, I love all your notebooks. Huh? This is brilliant. But I've got this other fun segment as well. So why don't we
No,
continue
Lakshmi
with
is
that?
see Nit, about Lakshmi. He helped me a lot in terms of everything. The field positions in Chennai. It's a different kind of a ground. It's a slow wicket, and he's been with Chennai Super King for almost all the years, and he helped me with with the field set, with everything. So thank you, Lakshmi, for everything you have done. And yes, everything is good, and I hope you are well, and with your family, everything is okay. So hope to catch up with you soon, Lakshmi.
Nikhil is asking, let's quickly get
My
that
wife is
question.
saying, who is this Lakshmi? ये लड़का है. लड़का है ना? या लड़का है.
Okay, Nikhil, because we're speaking about movies, Nikhil says, Bajiba, can you please suggest a few movies that you really like for us to watch, if it's in Punjabi, great, or any other language?
I don't know what kind of movie do you guys like to watch. See, अगर मुझे कुछ suggest करनी है movie, I think शिकारा is a very very good movie. हिंदी movie कुछ लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगी क्योंकि थोड़ी slow है. It's about Kashmiri Pandit. They have to leave from Kashmir. You know, imagine you being an Indian and you have to leave from your own sort of place and go where you don't know कहाँ जाना है कहाँ नहीं. So it's a very well made movie by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. उनकी movie है. उनके अलावा I think you guys should watch Peaky Blinder. That's a top class series on Netflix. उसके अलावा When They See Us kind of करके एक शो है वो Netflix पे 3 ही उसके वो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो थोड़ा heavy है but it's very nice बहुत अच्छा है वो what story. तो उसके अलावा अगर कुछ देखना है तो फिर डिपेंड कैसा शौक है आप लोगों का. तो Narcos is very good. I'm sure all of you must have seen it. Pablo Escobar का वो Narcos. Have you seen it, Rupa?
Yes, I have.
Narcos.
I haven't watched the latest one, but I have seen.
No, first two with Pablo Escobar. That was absolutely brilliant. You should watch Peaky Blinder. That's amazing.
My husband's watching it. I haven't. I will get around to it. Yeah, he loves
really
it.
Nice.
Okay, so let's move on. There are a few more questions about CSK. We'll probably slip it in towards the end, but this is a nice segment. I'm calling this, what's the first thing you'll say or do? Okay.
First thing I say or do. Okay, let's try.
I'll give you situations. Okay. Some are hypothetical, some are things, facts about yourself. Cool.
Okay. Tala.
First one.
Somebody Tala.
Someone's asking one word about Raina Bhai.
Raina Bhai, Chinnatala.
There you go. Hyphenated, one word. All right, first question. The first thing you say or do when you wake up in the morning?
I don't really say a word in the morning. It's always the quiet morning. I try to drink water. First thing I do is I drink water whenever I wake up in the morning. तो उसके अलावा first word I say मैं कभी notice नहीं किया है.
No, not that. It doesn't apply to some situations. It's something that you say. Some situations it's something that you do. So that's okay. It's cool.
But I drink water. The moment I get up, then I drink water. That's the first thing I do in the morning. If somebody is saying toilet, that is maybe third or fourth thing.
Third. Okay. What's the first thing you will say or do, whichever, when lockdown ends?
I'll probably go to one of the temple, and if I get a chance to go to Golden Temple or Siddhi Vinayak or anywhere where I can go prayer and start a new life again. And thank God for giving us this new chapter. So that's exactly I would like to do. कि पहला काम भगवान को हाथ जोड़ के प्रणाम करके माफी मांग के कि हमने अगर कोई गलती की है तो माफ करो अब दोबारा इंसानों के ऊपर ऐसी मुसीबत नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो ये मेरी कोशिश रहेगी.
Awesome. What's the first thing you'll do when you step onto the cricket ground again? As a
I'll run. I'll run about 5 laps. That's what I like to do. So that's something which I think I miss the most. Running मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So I think that's what I would like to do first.
Awesome. What's the first thing you'll say or do when Inaya turns 18?
Oh, I don't know. I'll become her bodyguard.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. What's the first thing you will do or say if you burn a dish that you're making for Geeta?
I'll say sorry. थोड़ा जल गया है खाना. इससे पहले की गालियां पड़े हैं तो पहले ही गलती मान लो.
Nice. What's the first thing? What's the thing that you do before going to bed? The last thing that you do before going to bed.
Um, I just say a small little prayer and then that's it. Not
Nice.
much.
Last one. What would you say or do if you bump into Yuvraj and Bandra once lockdown ends?
I think I'm sure we'll both will hug each other, and of course, there'll be not just one hug, but there'll be a lot of hug. Oye, aa jao, Jaffi wala. मजा आ जाएगा. So yeah, then I don't know उसके बाद फिर कहाँ जाएंगे, but first thing will be hug each other, and if he's in a good mood, तो वैसे तो normally अच्छे mood में ही रहता है. So then we'll go somewhere to eat or something.
A few of the questions coming in, so I'm just going to quickly get that in as well,
Sure.
Vajiva. Someone's asking, you're called Tiruvalur. When did you first hear about it, and have you read the Tirukurals?
No, I have not read about it. A lot of people have told me about it. This poet was a very famous poet, and he had solution for everything. And I heard about him when I started, writing about, some of the things I write in my Tamil tweet. So people says कि नहीं ये उसके तिरुकुल से उठा के लिखे हुए हैं. So that's the first time I've heard about him, and I've done a web series, where I've become with the wig and all everything वो लगा के मुझे वो उन्हीं के रूप में सजाया हुआ है. तो I was very nervous कि यार ये मुझे शायद करना चाहिए या नहीं, because कि I didn't want to hurt anyone's sentiments, कि किसी को लगे कि उनकी पूजा अगर होती है तो मैं हाथ जोड़ता हूँ. But then people says कि नहीं, it's fine. So मैंने किया वो.
It's okay. Before it, so it's perfectly fine. I think it's good. It's good in the way that you're adapting something and you're taking inspiration of something. I think imitation is the best form of flattery.
Well, I'm not doing anything. उनकी नकल नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but जो उनके जो लिखे हुए हैं फेज, उन्होंने जो लिख के गए हैं, for all of us to learn from it. So I'm just repeating it on the screen basically.
Yeah, correct. So it's actually fine. Actually, it's great. People actually find it very awesome that you're doing that, especially Chennai. Chennai fans.
Yeah, of course. Then I'll do the second. क्या कहते हैं वो second part as well for the.
Second part. Yeah. You should. I think everyone's like that side to you in some ways.
No.
But a lot of questions coming about CSK, Bajipa. So a little bit, I think we should kind of touch upon that. First of all, how weird was it?
Yellow.
How weird was it for you to wear a jersey that's not blue color? I think that's something that you should tell.
Oh yeah, first time I felt, what is it? Is this a dream or what is it like? Whenever we played against CSK, it was a game of India-Pakistan kind of a game. So it was always a very tough game to play against each other. So then suddenly I was not wearing blue and wearing yellow was a very difficult kind of a scenario for me to get into it and get used to of it. And luckily, we played our first game against Mumbai Indian. That was in Mumbai. And I was done. Like, पहला ही मैच हो गया तो I was like, शुक्र है हो गया ये मैच, क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि I played 10 years. वो 10 साल बहुत लंबा समय होता है. And for me to get used to of yellow jersey, it took me the whole season. Then जब तक season खत्म हुआ हमें पता लगा हम जीत गए. So then next season was okay. It was good, and third season I was looking forward to it. और अभी हुआ ही नहीं है. But it was kind of very difficult for me to understand what is going on in the first match.
What are your favorite memories? If you had some very fond moments that you cherish the most, Vajipa, in CSK, what would you say? A few of the moments that you cherished.
See, winning is everything in sports. I believe when you get the right results, we won the cup for CSK previous to previous year, and it was a special moment. And last year we came second, but still, I think we played brilliant cricket throughout the year, and that's what, as a sportsman, you cherish the most. When you do well for your team and your team go on to play the final and win the final and get into the final, and you get the right result. So getting the right result for the team, taking wickets for the team is always something which you cherish the most as a player.
A few questions coming in. I'm just reading them right now, Vajiba. A lot of people asking you about any interesting moments that you shared with MS, and of course, any interesting places you've been to in and around Chennai. There wasn't much time, I can tell you that, but yeah.
No, not in Chennai, but we played a lot of cricket together, me and Dhoni, and I remember we have done tours to probably all the countries, West Indies, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Australia. And MS was a very shy guy. He never used to come to our rooms, and he used to just be on his own. We used to hang out with Paji, Sachin, me, Sachin, Zahir, Ashish, UV. So MS was a very quiet guy. Then obviously वो 2008 वाला जो series था in Australia, वो जो टेस्ट मैच, वो काइंड ऑफ उस टेस्ट मैच ने ना सबको जोड़ दिया था कि इतनी वहां पे लड़ाई हो गया, वो सब हो गया. सो दीज मोमेंट एक्चुअली गिव यू दोज थिंग्स कि वी आर ऑल टुगेदर इन दिस. एंड फ्रॉम दैट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स he started opening up a bit. He started sitting with us, and then of course he was a young guy in the team, and of course he was captain as well. तो कप्तान होने के बावजूद भी बहुत शर्माता था, घबराता था कि क्या ठीक है या नहीं. तो कभी फील्ड के लिए बोलता नहीं था कि ये करना है वो करना है. जो आपको ठीक लगता है वो देख लीजिए. हाँ, जहाँ सजेशन देना होगा वहां वो पास आएगा, वो बताएगा कि यहाँ देख लीजिए, ये फील्ड हो सकता है, बाकी आपके ऊपर. एंड ही स्टिल रिमेन द सेम. He will not tell you what field to set, what not to. He says, what to do, not just to me, but to all the bowlers. Guys like Deepak Chahar, who was done well for Chennai Super King. He gave him all the freedom. Gave him everything possible as a captain to go out there and explore himself. And that's probably something which people should learn from him. Giving a space to a bowler or to a batsman is very, very important, so that he can go out there and explore. Because Yuzvendra Chahal is there. He is showing his muscles.
Legend, Vajiba. UG is permanent fixture in every live chat. He comes especially to all the CSK live chats. It's good though. It's very nice.
Yeah. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Someone who's got a big heart to bowl, and he's been brilliant for Team India and also for RCB. He's done amazingly well. And that's a toughest ground to bowl, and I think he's been a brilliant bowler for RCB. They maybe need a couple of more bowlers, like Yuzvendra Chahal, to win the cup, but I think he's done really well.
True. Difficult to bowl in that venue for sure.
Very difficult. It's a small ground.
Yeah, it is quite intimidating. One other very interesting question right now came, Vajiba, from someone called Vijay, I think, who's asking, what's the dressing room vibe or energy difference between MI and CSK that you could find? Was there any difference?
No, see, every team has got a different kind of atmosphere, and slowly you get used to of things. And our dressing room with the MI was a very chilled out kind of a dressing room. A lot of music, work, always there in the dressing room, and no stress whatsoever. Go out there, enjoy, play, have fun. And Chennai is also pretty similar. We don't really have a lot of music in the Chennai dressing room, but we do have very calm, composed kind of a dressing room. But that's something, different teams do different sort of things. Before we all came into the picture, me, UV, ये वो, तो इंडियन टीम में कभी म्यूजिक नहीं होता था. So we were the guys, we started playing music in the dressing room. चलो यार बहुत हो गया, क्रिकेट अंदर हो रही है, इंडियन टीम वहां भी परेशान, वहां भी हैरान, वहां भी वो जोर लगा रही है, उसके बावजूद जब ग्राउंड के बाहर आओ, एटलीस्ट have some light moments, have some light mood. So then we started playing music. So there was a time when दो दो दिन सबको होता था कि एक दिन ये अपना उसका लिस्ट चलाएगा, वो दूसरा वो चलाएगा, वो चलाएगा, तो कभी कभी दो दो गाने मिलते थे चलाने के लिए जो फेवरेट गाने हैं. बट हमने बप्पी लहरी के बहुत गाने सुने क्योंकि सचिन हैड ऑल द रीमेक्स ऑफ बप्पी दा वाज अनबिलीवेबल. बहुत जबरदस्त है.
Do you feel actually that leads me on to a very interesting? I mean, I really personally wanted to know, Bajipa, you actually have been one of the very few people who have seen so many dressing rooms over like a decade and more.
That makes you
How
feel.
has
Don't make me feel really old, huh?
you're young at heart, Bajipa? Young.
Yeah.
You're
Very
as young as you feel. You're very young. What did Geeta say?
No, she's not actually now listening. She's busy with my daughter. They are doing something. What are they doing? Drawing? Maybe, yeah, they are. So
But
you were
yeah,
asking me something.
how has cricket
Thought funny,
changed, Bajipa?
Huh?
How has cricket and the not just cricket, like everything around it also, the fans, social media, how much has it changed? You kind of seen the whole spectrum, you know?
See, the cricket remains the same. The rules obviously have changed from time to time, but generations जैसे जैसे change होती गई हैं, वैसे वैसे वो गेम में ग्लैमर, स्वैग, वो सब चीजें आ गई हैं. और पहले गेम जो था वो काफी ज्यादा मुझे लगता है it was very competitive. All the teams in world cricket was they were very good teams. If you look around everywhere, all the teams were brilliant teams, difficult to compete and difficult to beat. But nowadays, if we look around, we have seen what I've seen. Don't say ki, apart from India or maybe up to some extent Australia and England when they're playing in England, they are the strongest team. But उनके अलावा there is no competition. So वो एक सबसे बड़ा जो है वो नीचे आया है गेम का वो पहलू. आई थिंक टू गेट द सेम क्रिकेट को अगर स्तर ऊपर लेके जाना है, ऑल द टीम नीड्स टू गेट बेटर एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल. श्रीलंका इज गॉन really down, West Indies is gone really down. Imagine West Indies won the T20 World Cup and they never played together after that. That's something very hard to digest. So South Africa, if you see it, you take out AB de Villiers of that team and Faf for some extent. That team is full of young guys. So
it is. Yeah, the gap is pretty wide, Bajipa. I understand I understand what you mean. There are a few other things just to kind of wrap it up. I know we've kind of taken a lot of your time, but there's few things that I really want to ask you. One, of course, because everyone absolutely loved this, and I have to ask you about this. That Silambatam video that you did for CSK. You did the thing with the martial arts. Yeah. Tell us about that. How much did you enjoy doing that?
See, it was something which I kind of I was known to it from my younger days. जब मैं छोटा था, then we had the similar kind of practices for Sikh guys, and I used to do gatka. It's called gatka in Punjabi. और I didn't know कि वो तमिल में भी ऐसे करते हैं. जब उन्होंने मुझे बोला, they asked me to do this, and it was kind of very easy for me to do it because I had done it in my younger days.
दिल जीत के अपने सारे चैनल पे आप कुछ करना है.
Somebody is saying nice smile Rupa. नल्ला का smile Rupa.
Bajipa, बस तमिल आप तो ज्यादा बोलते हैं मेरे से भी.
नल्ला smile, हाँ.
Thanks, Bajipa. Thank you so much. Any thoughts, Bajipa? You wanted to ask me one tough question, ना? अगर है या फिर गाना गाना था आपको एक गाना गाना था जाने से पहले.
कौन सा गाना गाएं?
आपकी मर्जी है, मैं आपको फोर्स नहीं करूंगी. For the lovely fans. Bajipao.
For the lovely fans. हिंदी
This is
पंजाबी
Golda.
इंग्लिश मुझे आती नहीं है गाना, तो
मुझे
कौन
भी।
सा गाना? चलो ऋषि कपूर साहब की याद में एक गाना गा देता हूँ. उनका ही
Wonderful.
वो हमें छोड़ के चले गए हैं. So it was a very sad day
Amazing.
for all of us fans, and he is someone who inspired many people. तो उनकी याद में उनको श्रद्धांजलि के तौर पे एक गाना गा देता हूँ. मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ऐ हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई.
Wow, guys, that was incredible. That was for all of you. Fantastic, Bajipa. Superb.
Thank
That's
you.
your third option, professional option now.
What? Singing?
Singing?
I don't have the right voice to sing.
नहीं, ये different voice है, right? Wrong कुछ नहीं.
Sing a few lines in any Tamil song, you know. Chinni chinni asa, na 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 na, na 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 na. No,
मुत्तु मुत्तु आसे.
asa, chinni chinni asa. What a song this
Wow.
was. Then I can mix this. आसमानों को छूने की आशा, ना 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 ना, उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, चिन्नी चिन्नी आशा, चिन्नी चिन्नी.
वाह, remix भी कर दिया आपने.
हाँ.
Guys, brilliant. Bajipa, this was amazing.
Thank
I
you.
completely enjoyed it. Guys, I hope so did you. Any small message to the fans, and then we just wrap up. We're done.
No, I just want to say that stay positive. I know the times are a little difficult, but if we stay together as a team, you know, as a team only you can win big tournaments. So this is kind of a big competition in front of us, and we have to win. No matter, we can't lose this. You know, this is what we need to do. We stay united, and let's, you know, kill this coronavirus and kick this coronavirus out of India. So that's all I can say, and I'm looking forward to come over there in Chennai, and I miss my coffee sir. So I miss my Madras coffee. So I look forward to see you all there, and stay safe, stay at home, and lots of love to you all. And this is one of those phases. It will also pass, but stay strong.
Awesome, Bajipa. Thank you so much. It was amazing speaking to you, and thanks for taking time out. Love to your family, of course, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you very much, and lots of love to everyone out there who was listening, who is gonna listen later on, and stay strong. Look after yourself and also your parents.
Awesome. Tada,
Thank you.
Bajipa. Bye.
Bye. Vanakkam.
Bye. All right, guys, that was awesome. I thought that was quite fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Of course, keep your eyes on all the updates on the Chennai IPL pages, and of course on my page. Hopefully, we'll keep you posted on what's next. This is going to be just as an exciting week as the last few weeks were. Thank you for watching Unwritten Lines with me, Rupa. Have a great day.